Did you know that we offer a free electronic seal with the purchase of a physical stamp or embossing seal of any of our products in the professional category? Once you place your order, we will email you a copy of your free electronic eSeal within 24 to 48 hours of you placing the order. Typically, if you're placing your order during the week, it would be emailed to you within just a few hours. We offer these files in JPEG, TIFF, DXF, and PDF formats. They will be emailed from our art department soon after you place your order or after you approve your PDF proof. Please note that our AutoCAD support is limited, but if you're having any trouble with your files, we can always resend and troubleshoot as much as we possibly can. The free eSeal is a great add-on to all of our professional products.